Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to delete cookies from a specific site on your PC using Chrome. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Look for the More icon located at the top right corner and click on it. Then, select Settings. Step 3. Click on Privacy and Security, and then choose Third-Party Cookies. If you're part of the Tracking Protection Test Group, select Tracking Protection instead. Step 4. Next, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Step 5. At the top right corner you'll find a search bar. Enter the name of the website you want to delete cookies from. Step 6. To the right of the site, click on Delete. Step 7. Finally, click on Delete again to confirm. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete cookies from a specific site on your PC using Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Remember to regularly manage your cookies to enhance your browsing privacy and experience. Until next time, happy browsing and take care.